Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to know that someone had blocked us on WhatsApp. Friends, sometimes we try to contact someone on WhatsApp without knowing that he had blocked us. Now I will open WhatsApp on my phone. To make this video, I am opening the chat window of my other phone. Now from my other number, I will block my main number on WhatsApp. Now this number has blocked me on WhatsApp. Now if I try to send a message, then I will receive a single tick. Normally we receive double tick, but if our message is not delivered, then we receive only one tick. So if this number has blocked us, then our message will not be delivered for very long time. This is the one thing by which you can observe. The other thing is after some time the profile picture of the person will disappear. And by third thing, you can observe that your number is blocked, that if you tries to add this number to a group, then you will not be able to add it. Now I am trying to add this number to the group. Now it has given the error and that number is not added to this group. Now as you can see, that number is not added to the group. So by observing all these factors, you can understand that the other person has blocked you on WhatsApp. Or to double check, you can also send message to that person from some other mobile. If you receive double tick on the message sent by other mobile, then it will confirm that your number is blocked by that person. So friends, by trying these methods, you can know that someone have blocked you on WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.